Howdy, folks. You guys ever did something so damn stupid that you kind of laugh at yourself? I kind of tell you what happened to me just now, and I can laugh at myself. But anyways, I'm out here in the garage, man cave, workshop, whatever you want to call it. Slowly trying to get it organized. But anyway, I've been here most of the afternoon. I had a bad day yesterday, a bad day and night. I had a stomach bug that I was going through. I don't want to wish that on nobody. But anyway, it's been a relaxing afternoon today, and it's been very hot. It got up to 95 again. Yesterday, I got up to 95 for the first time this year in this neighborhood, at least. And today, almost made it to 95, 94.7. Right now, it's about 87 degrees, and got cloudy skies. It's about to start raining soon. But anyway, I've been hanging around here, watching a little TV, doing a little bit of this, a little bit of that, just trying to enjoy and relax myself. The last couple of days been kind of rough. But there's a skeeter that's been bothering me all afternoon long. Got a couple bites on my legs, and I've been trying to get him or her. And a little while ago, I see the skeeter just about go and land on my nose. And out of instinct, I knocked myself silly, threw my glasses on the floor, knocked my hat off, made my nose run. And darn skeeter's still flying around here laughing at me. But anyway, I got my composure now. And I want to show you this video. It's just a couple of things that I got gathered around. And it's all about buses. I'm going to show you a recent acquisition. See, the skeeters are on here. I don't know if you all saw them. It's a recent acquisition that I just got in the mail today. I picked up on eBay last week. And the rest of them is going to be out of my collection. Been with me for a while. They're all but one are custom made. And it's going to feature 5 RTSs and a couple of GM old looks wannabe or lookalikes or whatever, replicas. Let's get down to it. So the first one is it's a Jimson Coach plastic replicas, coin bank actually. And it's a Stripe 4 Miami Metro bus, color scheme used in the 80s. And this is a custom job made by me. Bus number 1248. Let me show you the front. Signed for the 50 Broward Express, which 1248 did run out of Carl Wade Division, believe it or not. And here's the other side, and not that great, but I just started doing this. And there's the rear. And the next one, make it real fast, is 1207. 1207 is the last RTS to run in Miami-Dade County. In revenue service, at least. It has that distinction. The old Route 5 to 79th Street. That route is long gone. And here's the other side. The rear, and we'll get the next one. Next one, bus 1078. For a while, this bus used to be operated by a single operator, J.L. Hernandez, also known as Kojak. This one has no destination sign, or it fell off. I can't remember. But I'll take care. I'll do it again. Look outside. Look at those threatening clouds. It's about to start pouring down rain soon. And there's Lady. Old Lady. The next one, bus number 1236, a very special bus to me. It's the first assigned bus that I had when I became a full-time, when I became a bus operator. I got my first assigned route. I started full-time. 1236 on the old 142 South. That was my route. And we striped this bus, a little cancer awareness. And here are 4 close friends, including my mentor, my doctor, Carolyn Victoria, my sweetie, and Adrian Butler McClenny, good friend of mine too, excellent person. All passed away because of this damn disease. Lost them all. So, anyways, I tried to sell this bus on eBay for charity, and nobody wanted to buy it, so I decided I'd keep it to myself. There's the other side of it. And here's the rear. And the last bus was not customized by myself. It's another Jimson coach. I bought it a long time ago off a fella named Bob Redden, also known as Night Bus back in the old binary groups. Big bus fan. And he customized this one, put it up for auction on eBay, and I knew he was, so I had no problem buying it from him. Bus number 1205. The 1205 and the destination sign I did, as you can tell, looks crappy. But I will be refurbishing this bus soon. I'm not gonna touch the stripes or the Metro bus sign because that's the way Bob did it, and we'll hold it in his memory. He's no longer with us. And the next one is Sunnyside Manufacturing, Superior Sunnyside. Bus number 614, customized for Yashi Transportation, which is fictitious. And there's the front. There's the side. They are not as nice as the Corgi buses, but these are toys. They're not models. They have pushback. Boom. And one more. Bus number 615, Monroe Express Transportation. This is a real transportation company that used to be under the umbrella of the JDT Transportation back before JDT was sold a few years ago. Listen, emergency door opens, serving the Florida Keys, and that they did. So I got one more for y'all, but I'm going to leave it for the next video. This video's gone long enough, and I really want to get in detail with this bus. This is the one that I just picked up in the mail today, and we'll be looking at it for the first time together. I mean, really looking at it. So there it is. Going to start pouring down real soon. It's about, what does the weather station say, 78 degrees, 86 degrees, just changed to 85 degrees. And this is Transit Joe in South Florida. But you know what? We're air conditioned.